Using 3D information detection, D-Bot can recognize beds, sofas, tables and chairs, etc. Open the app to access the main screen. When 2D house map is complete, tap the 3D icon to jump to the 3D map display page, which displays the automatically recognized furniture. Tap Home Furnishing and tap the Indoor Furniture. Adjust the position and size or edit the 3D map walls. Tap Save after editing your settings. Tap the Furniture Area Cleaning button and then select the furniture graphic on the map. Then tap the Start button in the bottom left corner to start efficiently cleaning around under the specified furniture. Say OK Yico to wake up the machine and start issuing voice commands. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings. Open the box and take out the D-Bot and accessories. Please read all safety instructions before using. Tidy up the area to be cleaned by putting furniture, such as chairs, in their proper place. Connect the power cord to the station. Place the station against a wall on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters on each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. The station's panel has 3 buttons. Station cleaning, when the D-Bot is out of the station. Start, pause the D-Bot, and move the D-Bot in, out of the station. Remove all protection films or protective strips on D-Bot. Install the brushes on the underside of D-Bot. Ensure that the color of the side brush matches the slot color. Press firmly. When you hear a click, it means the brush is firmly engaged. Take out Quick Start Guide. Use your phone to scan the Quick Start Guide QR code. Download the eCovax Home app. Install the app, register, then log into the main app screen. Place D-Bot near the station. Remove the top cover of D-Bot. Then on the App tap ad on the home screen, scan the QR code on D-Bot. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then tap to log in. Follow the app guidance prompts to turn on the power switch and wait for the sound. Select Next. Press the Reset button for about 1 second. After you hear the voice prompt,
Ready for network setup.
Start the hotspot connection and wait for the network to connect.
Connected. Please go back to the app to continue the setup.
Once connection is complete, you can proceed to name your D-Bot. After naming, you can select Time Zone or change the language of Yico. Follow the app prompts to enter the Yico Voice Assistant guided setup. Return the D-Bot to the station. Say,
OK Yico.
I'm here.
Start quick mapping.
OK, start quick mapping.
After mapping is complete, D-Bot returns to the station.
OK Yico.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
OK, start cleaning.
And D-Bot will start cleaning. Open the station lid and remove the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place back into the station. Attach the mopping plates to the bottom of D-Bot. When you hear
Switch to vacuum and mopping mode
voice prompt, it means that the mopping pads plates are firmly engaged and mopping mode can be activated. As the D-Bot cleans, it will return to the cleaning station periodically to clean the mopping pads. You can also use the app or voice commands to change settings like cleaning times, suction power. When the D-Bot is done cleaning, it will return to the station to charge. The station will also auto-empty the dustbin, auto-wash the mopping pads, and heat the pads to dry them. If the station detects that the dust bag is full, the app will remind you to change it. Press the pop-up button under Dust Container, release the dust bag bin, flip up the dust bag clip, remove the dust bag, and replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.